Hi guys, this is Troy over at Choice Window Tinting. This is a Tesla Model 3. I want to show you how to do an installation on this car for a roll-up window. I'm going to go ahead and wet it. We'll leave a gap at the bottom. These are called fingers. We're going to make all these fingers go to the bottom of the window. There's a little squeegee action here to get them all to the bottom. I've got a heat gun here. I'm going to turn it all the way up. I'm going to try and get all these fingers to stay down. The way I do it is I start from the top and I work my way down. Still getting hot. You can see it's starting to shrink. I'm going to keep working with these fingers. I want it all to be nice and flat when I'm all finished. I'm using Lumar CTX Nano Ceramic film on here. This film is a ceramic window film, so it cuts a lot more heat than the average conventional dyed film. So I'm getting to the bottom of these fingers. You'll be careful not to heat up the bottom. There's rubber here, so we don't want to heat that up. We only want to heat up the tip. You have to be careful with how much heat, and we're going to watch these fingers, making sure we don't heat them up too much. If you heat them up too much, the film will curl, and that wouldn't be good. So now we've done that. Looks like it's all laid down flat. This is called double snap. Do that, and what this does, this prevents, hopefully, any of the fingers from popping back up again when we do the installation on the inside. Alright, so there we go. I'm going to take this film and put it on the glass here. What I'm doing with my mouth is I'm separating the liner from the film. Window tint is like a sticker. So just like a sticker, you have to peel the backing. In this case, the backing is a clear plastic lining, and that's what protects the side that has glue on it until we install it. And I'm very carefully razor blading this window. If you know what you're doing, you never have to worry about damage to a window from razor blading. I'm going to use my little black squeegee here. I have a lot of different kinds of squeegees. Today I'm using this one. It's really soft. Because it's so soft, it grips the glass really good. So after I've cleaned it, squeegeed it, I'm going to wipe it off with this microfiber towel that's fresh out of the dryer. Yeah, it's clean. Now I'm going to do this with the water, not too much. Looks like a lot, but it's not. And that'll flush any contaminants that might be on the bottom all the way off the glass. Now I'm installing the film, and I'm going to try to make it go as close to the top as possible without overlapping. It's called a micro edge. You want to try and get it to a 1/16 of an inch or smaller. Now I'm going to squeeze you with my Blue Max, and that gets a lot more of the water out. I'm going to use my little blue tri-edge here. So that was my first pass. This is my second pass. The second pass is going to be harder, firmer, get more of the water out. Make sure we don't have any trapped air in there for later. Okay, and that's it. So that's how you install a roll-up door with a micro edge on a new Tesla Model 3. Tints all the way to the edge. No gap, no bubbles, no dirt.